Hello guys, your boy Rex here, and today I'm going to show you a new method that you can use to make sales fast with Clickbank. So as you can see, I'm already at Clickbank. The first thing you have to do, you have to go to Clickbank Marketplace. So you click on the Clickbank Marketplace to choose a product. If you want to choose a product, as I always do, I always choose the product with the highest gravity because they're the products that are selling the most, that are selling well and they're converting. So you just click on this search icon. It's going to show you it's going to sort by popularity the most popular products on Clickbank. But we want to sort by gravity, so click gravity, and you can see the top Clickbank products. Those are the best products that are converting and people are making a lot of sales with it. So with this method, use I'm going to go to the self-help niche. The self-help niche, like the products like manifestation miracle, manifestation magic, the numerologist. So you have to go to Clickbank, choose a product like manifestation magic. With this method I'm using the 15-minute manifestation, but you can use the same method with manifestation magic, the numerologist. So you can click on promote. Just click on promote, put your account nickname, generate hub link, then we'll go to bit.ly to shorten our links. So as always, you have to paste your link at bit.ly to shorten it so that the link is a lot shorter. So with this method, we are going to be using Instagram. So Instagram here is one of my pages that I just started growing. It's less than a week now, like over a week now, and I have up to 746 followers already, and I'm having good engagement on the pages. So with this method is that you are going to create an Instagram account. So you just create a free Instagram account, and preferably in the self-help niche. That's the niche that I've seen a lot of growth faster and a lot of engagement more than other niches like weight loss. So for me, I recommend that you get started in the self-help niche and promote products like the law of attraction products on Clickbank. So all you have to do, you have to create a free Instagram account and name it to something. If you are going to promoting in the niche like the weight loss, like if you are going to be promoting products, self-help products like the law of attraction products, you have to give a good Instagram name that like the law of attraction. Like for my own page is success vibration. You're going to you can give names like law of attraction so that your followers will know exactly what your page is about. So with this page, you're going to be posting images. So you're going to be posting images that people can engage with. For example, like this page, like this image, he has below that type yes if you believe. So you can see how people are commenting on this. So we are getting a lot of engagement on Instagram with this type of post. So I'm going to show you how you can find this type of post so that a lot of people can engage with with their content. As the more people that engage with your content, the more they can click on your links and buy your affiliate product. So first thing you have to do is you have to write a bio. Like you can see in my bio, write a bio, then talk about, you can give a little introduction about the product you're promoting, and you put your affiliate link in the bio. So for example, this is my link. If you click on this link, you're going to go to a Clickbank product that I'm promoting. So I'm promoting the 15-minute manifestation on my page right now. So on the post on the post that you post, you have to include a call to action. For example, this one my post. For example, type yes if you type yes if you believe. Check out the special link in our bio, success vibration. So I'm giving a call to action for the people that are visiting this image and liking this image to click on my link in the bio, and that is my affiliate link, and people are going to buy my affiliate product. So like after some time, like after you're posting consistently, like this is one of my posts I put, that you will soon be presented with an opportunity that could change your life. Click the link in the bio if you believe. This and a call to action, and I got a lot of clicks and made sales with this method. So let me show you how you are going to be posting, where you are going to find posts like this, because posts that have a call to action like type yes if you agree, that the highest posts that get a lot of engagement and they get you a lot of followers too on Instagram. So first thing, I'm going to go to big pages like the law of attraction, like this type of pages. So you want to search this type of pages, you just go like law of attraction. You can see a lot of pages like this one. This one have up to 1.6 million followers. So what you can do, you can see this type of pages with call to action like type yes if you agree. They have a lot of engagement. So what you can do is like go to this type of pages and find these images and download. You can download the images and put them on your own page. And also, like I'm doing here, you have to put, you're going to use hashtags. You're going to use hashtags when you're getting started, so that's the way that a lot of people are going to find your page. So you're going to use a lot of these hashtags on your pages. Many people are going to discover your page and your posts with hashtags. So you have to use that when you're getting started. This page is big, so it has a lot of, you have a lot of visitors to the page because it has a lot of followers without using any of the hashtags. So the way you can download these images, you have to use a website. You have to copy this link, the link of the page. Just copy and go to a website called GramSafe. Just type GramSafe on Google, and you're going to see the first. You're going to see it's going to be the first results. So just post the Instagram page and click download. It's going to load all these images, and you can just click on download. It's going to open. You can right click and save the image on your computer or on your phone. Then you can upload to your own profile. And I recommend that you post at least 3 times a day when you are getting started to get a lot of engagement. And you have to follow. I recommend that you follow like 20 people per day at least to get when you're getting started, so that you can have a lot of followers. More followers that you get, the more potential traffic you're going to get to your affiliate offers, and the more sales you can make, and the more posts you put out, the more people are going to engage with your content, and the more reach you are going to get with Instagram. So that is it, guys. The simple method. Just take action on this method. Just create a free Instagram account, and I recommend you get started with one Instagram account for now and try to grow it first. And I recommend you start in the success niche or self-help niche, because that's where I've gotten a lot of yes worked for me like really fast. You can get a lot of followers faster in the success niche, and a lot of engagement, and thus a lot of reach and more sales you can make with Clickbank. So guys, take action on this method, and we'll see you guys in the next video.